How Zerodha became India's most profitable startup, without ads in the fast-paced world of startups, where funding and flashy ads reign supreme, one remarkable story unfolds. This is the tale of an Indian company that quietly forged a billion-dollar empire. They achieved this without raising a single dollar, or spending on advertising. Meet Zerodha, the innovative company that transformed India's investment landscape. They ultimately became the country's most profitable startup. The beginning. It all began with a passionate trader named Nitin Kamath. In the early 2000s, he dedicated countless hours to trading stocks. However, he often found himself losing more to brokerage fees than to poor investment decisions. At that time, traditional brokers in India demanded high commissions and supplied outdated platforms. Investing felt more like a chore than an opportunity. Nitin recognized a significant issue. Millions of retail investors were sidelined, unable to enter the stock market because trading felt costly and complex. This frustration ignited a brilliant idea. In 2010, alongside his brother Nikhil Kamath, he established Zerodha, a name derived from zero and rodha, meaning barrier in Sanskrit. Their mission? To dismantle barriers, making trading accessible to everyone, with no hurdles in the way. Early struggles. But the journey was far from smooth. The brothers had no investors or marketing budgets. They used their personal savings to build the platform. While many startups chased after funding, Zerodha concentrated on a singular goal: resolving one significant issue with perfection. Their model was revolutionary for its time, a flat fee of 20 rupees per trade, with no hidden charges. Coupled with a straightforward online platform, this inspired trust even in first-time users. Convincing Indian investors to embrace online trading back in 2010 proved difficult. The prevailing mindset viewed online brokers as risky. Trust primarily resided with banks, while new fintechs lacked credibility. However, the Kamaths understood a crucial principle most startups overlook: trust isn't established through advertisements, it stems from genuine experiences. The breakthrough. Zerodha's success wasn't fueled by marketing efforts. Instead, it flourished through its thriving user community. Every satisfied trader shared their experience with 10 others. Their most effective campaign? It was pure word of mouth. As users multiplied, Zerodha prioritized education. They launched Varsity, a premier free learning platform for trading and finance in India. This initiative fostered loyalty rather than dependence. In 2015, they introduced Kite, a seamless, speedy trading app, clutter-free yet powerful. While competitors complicated their interfaces, Zerodha chose simplicity. The outcome? They cultivated a passionate community of traders who adored the brand. The strategy. Zerodha's achievements weren't mere coincidences, they stemmed from a well-crafted strategy centered on 5 core principles. 1. Transparency over hype. Their pricing, policies, and profits were straightforward. No hidden clauses to navigate. 2. Education over advertising. They empowered people to understand the market instead of coercing them to trade. 3. Community over customers. Engaging forums, podcasts, and open Q&As transformed users into loyal advocates. 4. Tech over talk. Their relentless focus on speed, security, and reliability set them apart. 5. Profit over valuation. While others chased after billion-dollar valuations, Zerodha prioritized sustainable profits. In essence, Zerodha didn't engage in the traditional startup race, they redefined the rules instead. The result. By 2023, Zerodha managed a remarkable 15% of India's total retail trading volume. Their profits soared to over 2,900 crore rupees, all achieved without any external funding. That implies no venture capital, no external shareholders, and no extravagant marketing strategies. Just solid fundamentals, unwavering user trust, and effective execution. In a landscape where startups proudly flaunt funding rounds, Zerodha constructed something unique: absolute freedom. The lessons. The journey of Zerodha inspires beyond the realm of finance, it encapsulates a powerful philosophy. When you solve genuine problems, growth naturally follows. Prioritizing customers over investors leads to profit generation. Educating rather than manipulating creates lifelong loyalty. Zerodha demonstrated that success doesn't require flashy ads or hefty funding. Instead, it demands clarity, courage, and unwavering consistency. How true this tale showcases how two brothers transformed a simple idea into India's most prosperous startup, leaving a lasting impact on investing. If this story motivated you, join InfoTalks for more insights from the world's most brilliant brands and founders.